Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential tools for modern enterprises, Google Workspace. As businesses continue to shift to remote work, having a reliable and efficient collaboration platform is crucial. And that's where Google Workspace comes in. With its suite of productivity tools, Google Workspace streamlines communication, collaboration, and organization for teams of any size. One key insight to remember when using Google Workspace is the power of real-time collaboration. With Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, multiple team members can work on the same document simultaneously, making edits and sharing ideas in real time. This not only saves time and eliminates version control issues, but it also fosters a more efficient and collaborative work environment. Another key feature of Google Workspace is the ability to access your work from anywhere, on any device. With the cloud-based storage system, Google Drive, your files are always accessible, whether you're at the office, at home, or on the go. This means you can easily work on projects and access important documents from your laptop, tablet, or even your phone. No more being tied to your desk or worrying about forgetting a file at the office. But Google Workspace is more than just a collaboration tool. It also offers powerful communication features. With Google Meet, you can easily schedule and join video conferences with your team, no matter where they are located. And with Google Chat, you can have real-time conversations with colleagues, whether it's a quick question or a group discussion. So whether you're a small business owner or part of a large enterprise, Google Workspace has everything you need to stay connected and productive. And the best part? It's intuitive and easy to use, making it accessible for everyone. Want to take your Google Workspace skills to the next level? Fastlane offers comprehensive training courses for all levels, from beginner to expert. Our certified instructors will guide you through the ins and outs of Google Workspace, giving you the tools to maximize your productivity and collaboration. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.